Hi guys, today with Evan. I don't want to make a 6-minute video. Yeah. So hi guys, and let's say hi to Evan. Hi Evan. You know, I'm just gonna say this might not be your birthday, but it's your birthday today. Don't know why. Yo, what happened to his garden? I don't care about my dog. Wait, let me tell you. Yeah, Evan. Yeah. He just realized. Bro, what is he doing, man? Let's come up his big coconut. Hey, yo, what is that? Hey. So, let's talk. Why is your arm so big and why is your leg so big? You said in school it was like a skeleton or something. Yeah. Hey guys, if you just want to see it. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I agree. What does a seagull do again? Yo. Bro. Oh, that's what it does. Alright guys. I might... yeah, it is, yeah. Let me just say something. Yeah, 7. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm playing on a mobile phone. I'm so sorry, guys. I know you might not know what's going on because this is going to be a YouTube short. Or I'm going to upload it in my video. Yeah, like and sub, guys. Like and sub. Yeah. Evan's right. Like and sub, everyone. Yeah. Yeah, it would help us. Yeah, because I really want to go to the For You page, but it only goes on some people's phones, but yeah. So, guys, like and subscribe so we can go to the For You page of everyone and they're gonna like my video. Yeah. Like, I have some other YouTube shorts. They're not really what is called popular. So let's get our videos to the For You page. Alright guys, I might be ending the video like 10 seconds. What is this cool bed? Wow. Nice bag. There's a football inside it. Yeah. Before we end it, let's say a bye-bye to this flamingo. Bye-bye, flamingos. Bye-bye.